Do you want to add music on Facebook Note? You can put a song on Facebook Notes with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add music on Facebook Note. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To add music to a Facebook Note. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture. A new screen will appear. At the top of the screen, tap on your name or profile picture to go to your profile page. To add music to your Facebook Note, tap on the Note section at the top of your profile page. A new screen will appear. Type something in the Share a Thought box. Below your profile picture, you will see a music icon, just tap on it. A list of music options will appear on a new screen. You can choose a song by scrolling through the list or searching for it using the search bar. Once you find the music you want to add, select it. In the next screen, drag the slider to choose which part of the song you want to share. Once you've selected the desired section, tap Done in the top right corner. Finally, tap the Share button in the top right corner to post the note. Now, both you and your friends will see and listen to the music you shared in the Notes section of Facebook.